My name is Shakil Ahmed. I own a gold of say 100 grams this year and I pay Zakat this year. I carry forward that gold of 100 grams to next year. Do I have to pay a Zakat next year also for this gold in addition to whatever wealth I earned the next year?
The brother asked this question, and this question can only arise in Madras and Chennai, nowhere else. I'm aware that there is the controversy, some person who has said that Zakat, if paid once in the year, you don't have to pay again in the next year. There is no such hadith. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, there are various Sahih hadith which says that Zakat has to be paid 2.5% above the nisab level, 85 grams of gold. And there are various hadith. Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, he said, all those who have not paid Zakat, I will see to it that they pay. Those who have already paid last year. There are various Sahih hadith which mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, he said, those who do not pay Zakat again. Again means they already paid before. And I know this controversy arose when Dr. Bilal Phillips also was here in a trip to Chennai. I'm aware that he wrote a book giving proof that Zakat should be paid every year. If you lose that gold, if you don't own it, then you have to pay. If you own it, every lunar year. So if you own it for 1 year minimum, you have to pay. If you have that same gold with you for next year, again you have to pay. Every year you have to pay 2.5% of whatever savings you have above the nisab level. Hope that answers the question.